Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to be creating a basic HTML document and adding to it some of the basic building blocks for display, some of the basic building blocks of HTML. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a doc type HTML. And this is the only tag you need to have a valid HTML5 document. Let me go ahead and save that. We're going to call it building blocks.html. And now we have a valid HTML5 document that we can add additional elements to. So let's go ahead and start with an h1 tag. We can go ahead and close that. Note that it has symmetry. A lot of HTML tags have it, not all of them do. And let's just say hello world. On the right hand side here I have a browser, and let's go ahead and load that into the browser, and you can see here that my document is building blocks.html, the document that we just created, and that we have a heading. Now these headers are predefined, and the lower the number, the bigger the header you have. So if I do h2 here, you'll see that this is smaller. I'm just going to reload the page. Hello world. And we can continue that pattern all the way. Let's do something like 6. Probably be so small that we can't see it, but let's go ahead and try. Yeah, you can see it here. Now let's go ahead and remove these two. Leave the h1. And next we're going to add a paragraph. This is something that you will do very frequently as you need text on in your pages. So let's go ahead and close the tag. If we go ahead and reload the page, you can see there that you have two different types of content on your page. These are differentiated by the different tags that you're using. In one you have your paragraph tag, and the other one you have your header. And you can see that the display reflects that. We're giving instructions to the browser on how to display the content that we're giving it. Let's go ahead and show you one more. This is simply a line return. Oftentimes you want to be able to have some spacing between your content, and in this case we're going to add a line return. This is the tag that you use. This one's not symmetric. This is all you do. And we're going to go ahead and reload the page, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. You can see here that we have now a space between it, and we could have as many of these as we want to. Let's go ahead and exaggerate this simply to show the effect, and you can see here that we now have a bunch of spacing. Let's go ahead and remove it so that we don't have so much space. And let's go ahead and close this this lesson with one last tag, and this is a horizontal rule. You'll see it here appear in a second. This is usually the type of separator that you get between sections in a chapter or between two chapters, and its semantic meaning is a separation between content. Oftentimes you see it used in many different ways within web pages, and it's really up to you how you use it. So that gives you some of the basic building blocks on this first HTML document. One last thing I want to show you is simply how to enter some comments. This is how you write comments within HTML. Whatever you write in here, and you can see that it's been grayed out, will not be shown. So let's just write that this text will not be shown. And you close it with dash dash angle bracket, and you open it up by angle bracket exclamation point dash dash. Anything that you have in there will not be shown. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that. I'm going to go ahead and reload this page, and we can repeat this text as many times as we want, and as long as we are within those angle brackets, it will not be shown. Go ahead and save, reload the page, nothing is shown. And in fact, if we were to show text after it, we would have no spacing or additional spacing. After the horizontal rule, you can see there that the next bit of text that we entered is showing without any additional spacing. Now, if we take a look at the code behind, you can see there that all of those comments are visible. If you want to see them, you can select the developer tools. I will not dig into this too deeply, but you can simply for now do view page source. In the later lessons, we will go deeply into the developer section. So for now, I'll go ahead and stop. And just recap what we've done. We've created a simple HTML document. We've put in some of the common tags within the document. In this case, we've done headers, we've done line returns, we've done the paragraph tag, horizontal rule, and we've also covered comments. So open up a text file. Try a few of these for yourself. Make sure you can compose. You can already compose with this a basic document. Go ahead and build one for yourself and make sure you're comfortable with these concepts. With that, I'll go ahead and say goodbye.